Hey sleepers, Keith here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Puffy Mattress. Now these guys claim their mattress sleeps like a cloud, but how does it stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. Testing the mattress today, we have lightweight sleeper Elizabeth, average weight sleeper Scott, and heavyweight sleeper Mary. To unbox the mattress, grab a friend and move the box to its final destination. Remove the roll-packed mattress from the box and unwrap. Give it about 24 to 48 hours to fully recover. The original Puffy mattress is a 10-inch foam mattress. The cover is made from polyester. The comfort layers consist of 2 inches of 2.5 PCF gel memory foam on top of 2 inches of polyfoam. The support core is made up of 6 inches of 1.5 PCF high-density polyfoam. The Puffy falls at about a 4 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making this a medium soft mattress. The feel of the bed is closer to a traditional memory foam mattress, so it's going to conform closely to the body and you're going to sleep in versus on the mattress. To test for support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. Like other soft mattresses, we found that lightweight sleepers were well supported, while heavyweight sleepers and average weight sleepers less so. To illustrate motion isolation, we use a glass of water placed on one side of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper Mary move around the other. As you can see, motion isolation is clearly a strength of the mattress as it absorbs everything and that glass is not moving. When testing for edge support, we found that all 3 of our sleepers experienced significant sinkage when sitting on the edge of the bed, and all 3 of them felt a bit less stable when sleeping close to the edge of the bed, which is to be expected of an all foam and especially a soft foam mattress. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell how much pressure a mattress is able to relieve off a sleeper's body. Our testing found that all 3 sleepers received adequate pressure relief, but our average and lightweight sleepers received significantly more than our heavyweight sleeper. You will see some pressure around the hips and shoulders of Scott, our average weight sleeper, which is in large part due to his build and not the mattress. When assessing temperature neutrality, our testing found that being a soft, all-foam bed, the Puffy mattress does tend to trap heat. Now, let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. Elizabeth, what did you think of the Puffy?
Oh, I loved it.
Yeah?
I thought it was great. It was very soft. I mean, the clouds make sense. You feel like you're sleeping on a cloud.
For me, it was a little too soft. Being a heavier sleeper, I like a little more support.
It's just a little too soft for my taste. I'm a stomach sleeper, and I found when I slept on my stomach that my back kind of arched.
Backside or stomach, which was most comfortable for you?
I'd say back. Other firmer mattresses, I can't really get comfortable on my back, but on this one, it just kind of like sunk right in.
I'm not really a back sleeper, but it kind of sinks me and it conforms to my body, so the back was the most comfortable.
Now, did you feel supported sleeping close to the edge?
Definitely not as supported as some firmer mattresses, but I was so comfortable I didn't care.
All right, well, thank you. Now let's see how the original Puffy mattress stacked up in our mattress tests. This mattress has a soft foam feel, so you will sink in versus sleeping on the bed. Support was very good for lightweight sleepers, good for average weight sleepers, and fair for heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation was excellent, while edge support was fair. Pressure relief was very good for light and average weight sleepers, and good for heavyweight sleepers. Lastly, temperature neutrality was fair. Here are a few takeaways from our Puffy mattress tests. If you prefer a firmer mattress or you prefer an inner spring feel, so a more responsive, bouncy mattress, the Puffy is not going to be for you. It's much softer than even Puffy advertises we found throughout our tests. If you're a heavier weight sleeper, this mattress probably won't offer the support that you're looking for. Also, this mattress comes in one firmness option, so if you know you like a particularly firm mattress or even more of a middle of the road mattress, you're not going to find that with the Puffy. We recommend the Puffy mattress for those who like a softer, conforming memory foam feel. So if that is in your wheelhouse, you'll probably enjoy this bed. Side sleepers, especially lighter weight side sleepers, should find that this bed is conforming enough, should relieve some pressure on the shoulders and hips. Here's some additional information if you're looking to purchase a Puffy mattress. It comes with a 101 night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a lifetime warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video or visit tuck.com. That's it for our Puffy mattress review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful, and visit tuck.com for the full written review and all your sleep needs. Check us out on Facebook and Twitter. We're always doing awesome giveaways and we're sharing the latest in sleep news. And reach out to us if you need a personalized recommendation or have any comments. Sleep well.